egg, potato, rice flour, milk. Potatoes do wonders for the skin. It contains vitamin B, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. When you apply potato to skin, it can get rid of hyperpigmentation such as acne scars, dark spots, pimples, and blemishes. Potatoes will leave your skin clear and give a nice glow to your skin. Potato face mask. Potato and milk. Milk. Apply this mask on your face and hand and neck. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash off with cool water. This mask is extremely beneficial to get rid of facial blemishes and dark spots. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is vital for maintaining skin health. Potatoes are natural skin lightening agent which proves to be beneficial for scars, dark spots, and even hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation, if you have dry skin, potatoes will help give you that smooth skin feeling in minutes and can also remove dead skin cells on the face. This mask is considered as an effective anti-aging beauty treatment. Ward off wrinkles. Apply for your skin. Then rub your skin gently in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave for 15 and 20 minutes. The reason why I'm using egg in this recipe is because eggs contain vitamin A. When you apply vitamin on the skin, that reduces wrinkles and fine lines. It will also shrink large pores and tighten and firm the skin. And it will leave your skin smooth and glowing. Egg white and potato juice face mask is one of the most effective remedy to shrink large pores because it tones up and tightens the skin. For better results, use this remedy 3 to 3 times. As eggs white dry, it pulls dirt and excess oil out of skin pores and tightens the skin.
Skin look aged and unhealthy. They can also increase other skincare problems such as acne and blackheads, especially for people with oily skin. Today in this video, we are going to tell you some simple home remedies that will shrink size of skin pores and your skin will start to look much younger.
Egg white face mask works great for drawing excess oil out of greasy skin. Spread this mixture evenly on your clean face and let it dry completely. As eggs white dry, it pulls dirt and excess oil out of skin pores and tightens the skin. Egg white face mask works great for drawing excess oil out of greasy skin. For better results, use this remedy 2 to 3 times. Amazing results first time. This mixture egg whites and potato juice. Rice flour. Add rice flour in the potato juice. After washing the cleanser that was prepared, apply this mask on the entire skin of the face and under the eyes for 20 minutes. Then wash your skin with warm water and then with cold water. Moisturize your skin with olive oil or sweet almond oil. Repeat the skin tightening and wrinkle removal mask 3 times a week. After the week ends, your skin will be tightened. With all wrinkles eliminated, the mask also gives your skin whiteness and freshness and makes it look bright and glowing. Can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 days. Leave for 20 minutes. Amazing results. Moisturize your skin with olive oil or sweet almond oil and Vaseline.